This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Watchlist and Market Report for the week ending August 13th, 2022. Our question this week is, what is accounting? The answer will be provided later in the video. This week, the market ended higher. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 1.27% on Friday and was up 2.92% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 1.73% on Friday and was up 3.26% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 2.09% on Friday and was up 3.08% for the week. Looking at the week, we can see that there were 7 down finishes versus 8 up finishes for the major indexes. On Monday and Thursday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished up, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq finished down. On Tuesday, all the major indexes finished down. On Wednesday and Friday, all the major indexes finished up. The new unemployment claims were 262,000 versus 263,000 expected. Consumer prices rose 8.5% in July. Food prices fell sharply. Wholesale inflation fell 0.5%. The national average for a gallon of gas dropped below $4, and the U.S. 10-year Treasury yield dipped to 2.84%. New unemployment claims, consumer prices rising, food prices falling, wholesale inflation tapering, the national average price of a gallon of gas dropping, and the U.S. 10-year Treasury yield dipping are all news. And news drives the market, good and bad. Day-to-day predictions on whether the market is going to go up or down is virtually impossible because predicting the news is impossible. However, the market is rigged to go up. It does not go up every day or even every week, but the market will generally go up over time. Stock prices move in a random fashion. They go up and down with an upward drift. The market will go up because the powers that be want the market to go up. While there are many powers out there, the top 5 powers that be are the Federal Reserve, big financial institutions, big corporations, the President, and Congress. These 5 entities will do what they must to drive the market higher. Now we are at our question of the week. What is accounting? Accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, recording, and communicating the required information relating to the economic events of an organization to the interested users of such information. According to Warren Buffett, accounting is the language of business. The affairs and the results of the business are communicated to others through accounting information, which is systematically recorded and presented to interested parties. There are 3 main types of accounting information. There is management accounting information, which is used by internal users to make financial and operational decisions about the business. There is financial accounting information, which is used by external interested parties like investors and financiers in deciding whether to invest in or finance the business. And then there is tax accounting information, which is used by taxing authorities. Accounting provides various interested parties with information about the business that allow users to make pertinent decisions about the business as a profitable, tax-compliant, investable, ongoing concern. Accounting communicates how the business is doing to managers, investors, and regulators. Do you review the accounting information about your stocks? Or do you own any stocks at all? If not, why not? Is it because you do not understand anything about the stock market? Well, it was not taught to you in school. If you ever want to learn how to get wealth and income through the stock market, you are going to have to teach yourself. You must RSI, read, save, and invest. Formal school taught you how to read, but society and the powers that be discourages you from reading, especially books. School taught you to be a worker. They did not teach you how to be an investor. and they taught you absolutely nothing about the U.S. financial system. You can, however, learn how to be an investor if you simply start reading books about investing. Books that you can borrow from the library for free or buy cheaply online. It is not difficult to learn how to be a passive investor, which is what most people should do. Check out this list of recommended books on the books page of the Southside website. These books and others like them will not tell you which direction the market is going to go, but you can learn how to make money in the market no matter what the market does. I don't know which way the market is going to go on a daily basis, and I don't care. I trade the market as it is, not as it should be. I take what the market gives me, whether it's going up, down, or even sideways. How do I do that? I apply the Southside strategy. You can learn more about the Southside trading strategy at southsideschooloffinancialfreedom.com. Here is the Southside Trading Watch List from the week ending August 13th, 2022. The strongest performer on the list this week was Riot Blockchain Incorporated, ticker symbol RIOT. It's in the second column. It increased 4.31% on Friday and was up 20.07% for the week. Riot Blockchain is a U.S. cryptocurrency mining company. It primarily focuses on Bitcoin mining. It has at least 7,000 miners. The company has several subsidiaries, and through its subsidiaries, Riot Blockchain also seeks to develop a blockchain-based escrow service for wholesale telecom carriers. Riot Blockchain holds a 13% stake of a digital exchange company in Canada, and it holds investments in a company that provides cryptocurrency accounting and audit technology services. Looking at a summary of results, you can see that Riot has decreased minus 55.53% year to date. I did not trade or generate cash flow from Riot Blockchain this week. Whether a stock goes up or down, you can generate cash flow from it. Whether you own a stock or not, you can still generate cash flow from it using the Southside strategy. The Southside trading strategy involves trading for weekly cash flow, that is, trading for income. SPY is shown at the bottom of the third column. SPY is the S&P 500 ETF. This is the benchmark I compare my trading performance to. My objective is to beat the S&P 500 index while at the same time generating cash flow. Most professional money managers do not consistently outperform the S&P 500 index. They usually lose and lose badly to the index. Thus, most investors and traders should just invest in or trade a market index fund or ETF like SPY. What do you do? Do you beat the S&P 500 index? Do you have a watch list? What is your investing and or trading strategy? How well do you do against the S&P 500 index ETF SPY? Let me know in the comment section. Are you willing to share your strategy? The Southside Portfolio Cash Flow System is outperforming the S&P 500 Index ETF SPY. The Southside Portfolio is up 3.28% versus minus 10.08% down for SPY, a difference of 13.36%. The Southside is beating SPY by almost 13.5%. The cash flow generated by the Southside Cash Flow System for this week was 2.29% of the portfolio account value. The account value changed by 5.21%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ETF SPY changed by 3.3%. Bitcoin Watch. Bitcoin gained about 5% this past week, but it continues to be in a bear market. It has lost almost 65% of its value from its all-time high it achieved in November 2021. I sold option contracts on one position this week. It was a put that ranged from $0.00 to $103.01. You can get more details, including the total dollar amount of cash flow for the week, on the website southsideschooloffinancialfreedom.com. To increase your financial IQ and understanding of the stock market, Please check out past videos for other questions of the week. The videos are organized in playlists, levels 1, 2, and 3. Level 1 being for beginners and level 3 being for more advanced investors and traders. The videos are also arranged in playlists by subject matter. In the meanwhile, please like, share, and subscribe.